Hey everybody, Build It here, and it's time for the September Filament 1 ProFi Box. Just arrived on my front porch today. Obviously I didn't get to open it yet because I'm just now got home from work. So here I go, I'm going to start opening the box now. Cut that one, cut that one, and get that guy right in the middle there. Alright, so now we got that open. Pull out the paper inside. Okay, so we start off, we got a spatula. You can always use another spatula. Actually, I call them spatulas because that's what they're used as here in 3D printing, but really this is a putty knife. It's actually used for putting, drywall mud, stuff like that on your wall, or applying wood filler on wood, that kind of thing. That's really what this is used for, but it's a handy tool for getting your prints off your print bed. So this works just fine as a spatula as well. Okay, so that's number one. A mini stoop waffle, which my wife will get because I can't eat the sugar anymore. The packing slip of what's inside, so the accessory that we just saw was that, and we'll see what we got inside here. So now the filament, one of the rolls of filament for this month is Filament 1 Pro Select Traffic Yellow. That'll be pretty cool to print with. I'll have to see what I can print with that. And then the second spool of filament is a white of some sort. And it says a Filament Pro Select Traffic White. So those are our two filaments for the month. We already got the accessory, the stroop waffle, a sticker, Filament 1 made in the USA. I think they should put born in the USA. Yeah, that's me. The other thing is you get a 22% off on Filament 1 Silk Series filament. There's a code number for it, but unless you're a ProFi Box member, I don't think the code will work for you. But I just showed it to you anyway. If it works, great. If it doesn't, well, don't blame me. It's not my fault. Okay, so that's it for the Filament 1 ProFi Box for the month. Let's see, I printed a couple of things. So I've been playing with my Spark Maker printer. This is the filament, atomic filament model that was designed by Chelsea 423, I think was her. Chelsea, yeah, Chels C 423 she's on Twitter. That's the wife of Garrett. She designed this. I printed it on my resin printer, my Spark Maker, at 0.25 millimeter layer heights. You can see all the little details in it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here, but there's little, let's see if I can get the focus on that. It's supposed to autofocus, but not doing a very good job of autofocusing. I was trying to show there's little atomic symbols, and right in here you can actually read atomic filament here on the bottom. And there's atomic symbols all the way around it. There's an atomic symbol right here on the spool of filament that he's holding. This is for atomic filament, so it's really filament spools, but I did it in resin because I thought it would be cool to do it in resin. That's just me. And I'm trying to get my other print all working the way I want it to work, and it seems to be working fairly well. So anyway, that's it for the ProFi Box for the month, and everybody have a great day, and we'll see you next time around. Have a great one. Bye.